Africa Content TV.
He was ready and he confronted all the obstacles and hindrances that would frustrate any government. Across all fabric of governance, from security to agriculture, to education, to healthcare, to environment, to industrial development, to achieving prosperity for the state. Road construction, that's the best of both. Roads are still there. But I was fortunate to be the chairman of your state security trust fund for 4 years. I don't want to achieve this state was peaceful. There was no aggression against was growing, life was prospering. Individuals, households, and communities prospering. Funded it. Small junctions in your state. We had a control center where we see what was happening at every junction. And we had a standby emergency response squad that will respond any emergency, any crime. But very close. Children use to chase away criminals. Not fragile salon cars. We were using SUVs, Jeeps, Enochs. And he was able to control all the security agencies. Put together, we had the Operation Bust. And we had a team that made up of the police, the armed forces, the air force, the immigration, the civil defense. All of them were working together. Criminals ran away from your states. Criminals ran away from your states. So his body language was that your state should be crime free, and he achieved it. The government must confront crime, must be ready to fight crime head on. You cannot run away from crime, you must face it. That's what Ajimobi did. And he achieved it. Roads. Solid roads. Education. He brought the school governing council for secondary school. I was chairman of my own secondary school. I was chairman of the governing council. I know what we achieved. It was a way of bringing together the private sector, the old boys, and the government to achieve proper and progressive school administration. He introduced the tech U, the first of its kind in Nigeria, but the Technical University.